Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we got Meryl joining us today.
Hello! And today in our video we are making
Sugar cookie bars. These are so amazing, like the new sugar cookie recipe.
They're just like crumble, but better.
So let's get into the video. Okay, let's prepare our baking pan first.
We're going to grease
And add in our parchment paper.
We're going to set it off to the side.
Moving on to the dough.
Add in our sugar.
And softened butter. Get my hand mixer and we're going to start creaming.
We're going to scrape down the sides. We're going to add in our egg.
And some vanilla. Meryl's going to cream it up for us. Now we're going to add in our all-purpose flour.
Baking powder.
And lastly some salt.
Now we're going to fold everything together. This is what your dough should look like.
Bring back our pan.
Add our dough to our pan.
We're going to press it down. We're going to bake this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. As you see, we have actually cut the edges a little bit to give it a nice presentation. Moving on to the frosting.
To our bowl, we're going to add some softened butter.
I'm going to get my hand mixer and start creaming it up. Scrape it on the sides.
Slowly add in our powdered sugar.
Add a little bit of vanilla while you're at it. And heavy cream. We're going to keep adding our powdered sugar and heavy cream until we have our frosting.
Add a couple drops of our pink food coloring.
You can do whatever coloring you... That's enough. You can do whatever food coloring you want, or you can just leave it plain.
Pretty, right?
Alright, frosting is done. Here is our wonderful frosting. We're going to get our piping bag and fill it up with our frosting. And now we're going to start piping. I get my offset spatula and smooth all the frosting.
Last off is sprinkles.
Alright guys, we are done. Now let's cut it into bars.
That's a wrap for today's video.
We hope you guys enjoyed, but all we need to do is taste test. Cheers.
Cheers.
Gosh, these are so amazing, and I could eat so many of these.
They're really good. I really like them. This is my favorite.
That was a wrap for today's video, and see you guys next time.
Thank you.